Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can create a recurring task for your team on ClickUp really quickly. So let us get started. So guys, it is very simple. Head over to clickup.com, log into your account and select the workspace in the top left corner. So let me go with that one here for the sake of this tutorial. So guys, to create a new task, all you will need to do is click on that plus new button at the top bar to create a new item. And from that popping up window here, select task here in the top left. So guys, start by entering your task name, like for example, I don't know, task number 1, just for demonstration purposes. And what you want to do after that, guys, is for example, add a description to describe your task here by using the text box. So let me skip that for demonstration purposes. You may also set a status for the given task, like to do, or in progress, or complete. So let us leave it at to do. After that, assign team members to your task by clicking on assignee here and select your team members from that list below, like for example, yourself or any other team member you will see listed below. And that's basically it. Now to make this task recurring, all you will need to do is first, of course, set a priority here, like urgent, high, or normal. And after that, click on due date here to set a due date as well as a start date for the given task. So let me go with a start date tomorrow, July 15th, and set the due date to, let's say, also tomorrow, because the task will be completed within one day. So to make it a recurring task, hover your mouse over recurring here and click on it. And after that, you will see an option here, like a frequency, a weekly, daily, or monthly frequency, or a custom frequency. So let me go with weekly. Leave it at that so that the given task may repeat itself or be on a recurring basis week after week. And that's basically it. You can leave, for example, this option here enabled, recur forever, so that the recurring task will be ongoing endlessly, unless of course you delete the given task. So confirm by clicking on save here, and that is going to set the given task on a recurring basis, guys. And that's basically it. Additionally, or optionally, you may add new fields, for example, like formulas, dates, drop-down menus, label, checkboxes, websites, and so on and so forth, or add attachments to the given task, like instructions for team members in PDF format, and so on and so forth. Once it's done, guys, simply click on create task here, or click on that arrow down icon to select an option like this one here, create and open, create and start another, or create and duplicate if you'd like to duplicate the given recurring task and have, for example, 2 or more recurring tasks with the same description. And that's how it works in practice, guys. So let me click on create here to confirm it. And as you can see, your task has been created. That's how it works in practice, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it. As you can see, guys, just to add some additional information here in the task list, the due date is tomorrow. And you see by that icon here that the task had been set on a weekly recurring basis. So that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and see you next time on our channel.